Following the COVID-19 outbreak in Auckland, the coronavirus has now spread to New Zealand's capital, Wellington. Authorities have yet to discover how the virus spread out of quarantine.
We now know that we are dealing with an outbreak that isn't just isolated to Auckland, with cases now in Wellington, albeit linked. While they were picked up quickly, they came into contact with a case on Sunday, and obviously we were in lockdown by Tuesday. We still need to be very vigilant. We just don't quite know the full scale of this Delta outbreak. All in all, that tells us we need to continue to be cautious and that we need more time before we have the complete picture we need to change our settings. So on that basis, the Director General of Health has recommended and Cabinet has agreed to keep all of New Zealand at level 4 until 11:59 p.m. on Tuesday, August 24, with a Cabinet meeting on Monday for us to determine the next steps thereafter.
Meanwhile, the Delta variant of COVID-19 continues to devastate the United States. Currently, 1 in 5 coronavirus patients hospitalized nationwide resides in Florida. The vast majority of hospitalized patients are unvaccinated. Although pro-vaccination messages are spread, it's countered by rumors spread through social media. According to one doctor, it was even easier to convince elderly patients to get vaccinated than younger ones.
We do have a certain population that tends to not believe in the vaccine, and they also have fear of the vaccine. Even the 50 to 65 did pretty good in getting their vaccinations. The more resistant ones are the ones under the age of 50.
The Delta variant is more likely to attack the young. We're seeing the ages decrease from what we saw in the previous variants. It's attacking the younger, and the younger are sicker, and they're sicker quicker. It's one person reaching out to areas where they have influence, and I think that's how we win this game.
While Duval's vaccination rate remains lower than the Florida state average, it has increased by 17% since early July, which is one of the highest increases in vaccination rate in the United States.